Hey, what's up guys? So if you're thinking about buying the Lectric XP E-bike and not sure if it's the right size for you, well, I'm going to do a quick comparison today to ride the Lectric XP from 5'3" to 6'6". I have my father-in-law here, John. He's 6'6" and about, what, 280 pounds? 280. So the bike's rated at 275 pounds for the weight limit on the bike, and then another 50 pounds on the rack, which makes it about 330 pounds for the weight rating. So we're going to go ahead and see. He's 5 pounds over the limit for just the bike itself, and we're going to go ahead and see what it looks like with him riding it. And I'll also put some video of my wife in there, which is she's about 5'3". I'll show you guys what that looks like with her riding it. Now the seat post that I have on here is an aftermarket seat post, and it's about 350 millimeters in length, the one I purchased, which is shorter than the factory one that it comes with, which is 500 millimeters. So we're going to see what a 6'6" guy looks like riding this bike with a 350 millimeter seat post and the Cloud 9 suspension seat. And then I'm going to go ahead and probably put this one in there because I'd imagine he's probably going to be a little too tall for this setup here. Alright, so if you guys are tall, we're going to find out if it's worth buying a seat post that's this size, or if you should just go ahead and get that actual Lectric branded one that they now sell that is actually 500 millimeters in length also. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like here. Alright, now this is my wife riding. She's 5'3". I got the seat post down a little bit and lowered the handlebars slightly. She's just taking it easy there, I think in PAS1.
Pedaling probably helps it.
I mean, 50 miles is pretty good. Yeah. For a bike.
So this is what 5'3" looks like riding it. How's that seat?
Cushy.
Cushy.
Push the little arrow thing up, Ash.
Well, this is my mother-in-law trying the bike out, so we're going to lower the handlebars a little bit. She is about, what, 5'4"?
Yeah.
And this is the first time she's going to try it first with just pedaling. And then she's going to go ahead and kick it up. Now, when my father-in-law was riding it, he forgot to shift gear, so he was in third gear the whole time. He could have went up into sixth, but that's probably why it looks like he was pedaling like crazy. And I think she has the motor on there. So this is back with the Zoom suspension seat. I lowered it down slightly and we lowered the handlebars.
16?
Alright, now this is my brother-in-law Josh. He's 6'1", 200 pounds. First time for him riding it. I think he's still in third gear. Shift up to 7th.
That's a 5.
No, shift the gearing up. Yeah, there now he's not pedaling as fast. I think he went up to 7th gear. Or no, maybe now he's in 7th gear. But this is 6'1", 200 pounds. With the Zoom suspension seat at the max height that can go, and the Cloud 9 seat. What do you think?
That's pretty quick. It's fun.
Now this is actually also his first time ever riding the bike, so we're going to go ahead and see his impression on it too. This is with just regular pedal with no pedal assist. He's starting out with it off. I have about 22 psi in the tires. So, I mean, actually, it doesn't look too bad. I have the seat the highest it can go on that one, which is 350 millimeters. And it doesn't look too bad. He could probably be raised up a little bit on it. Did you kick it in? Did you kick it up yet? Now he's in PAS1 with throttle only.
That's 3.
Alright. He's just doing throttle only. Go ahead and pedal. There he is pedaling a little bit. I think he's in PAS 3 right now. Kick it up to 5.
5.
And I also have the handlebars as high as they're recommended going. There's a minimum insertion height label on the handlebars, and like I said, they're up to the max. So he actually doesn't look too bad as far as size-wise goes. Like I said, that's 280 pounds, 6'6". And he's in PAS 5 right now. And I do have the settings turned up so that it will do 28 miles per hour.
That thing moves pretty quick.
Yeah.
Phew.
You didn't look too bad on it either as far as size-wise.
No.
It looked like you might have been able to go up a little bit.
Yeah, it was good.
What are you out of breath for? It's electric.
Pedaling.
So see, you guys do get your exercise. Even though it's electric, you can still get exercise depending on how much you want to pedal on it.
Very cool.
All right, so we're gonna put the bigger seat post in now and see what he looks like on that. See if it helps out. All right, now this is him on the bike with the factory seat post all the way to the maximum height that you can go on it. Now what's that seem like?
Definitely higher.
Does it seem more comfortable than the other one?
Nah, the other one's a lot more comfortable.
What about height-wise though?
The height's good.
Do you like the height better on the
More
other
leg
one?
room.
Height better on the other one or this one?
This one.
Alright, so he likes the height better on this one, being at 6'6". So if you guys are 6'6", you might want to get the factory electric seat post that's 500 millimeters. But like I said, you can get away with the 350 millimeter one like the other one I have, but if you're tall, you might want to go with this one. Now it is a little bit of a chore to get on. Even he had to start pedaling before he could sit on the seat because it's hard for him to touch the ground when it's this high. But that should give you guys a pretty good range of what height you can be to ride this bike. 16 mile an hour. I wish I would have been recording because he almost crashed into this a few minutes ago. I think you should get Dawn one for work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why not?
Oh, yeah, try it.
All right, now you can see how high the seat post is, and that, like I said, he's 6'6", so he has to actually start pedaling to actually get up on it.
Yeah, I can't get right on it.
Go ahead.
Oh. It's definitely nice because I'm not stretching too bad. So it's definitely nice. And it gives you enough leg room. It's definitely more comfortable up higher.
Yeah.
For a tall guy.
But the other seat's more
But the other
comfortable.
seat's more comfortable.
Yeah. All right, now this is my father-in-law, 6'6". Gonna come up a slight incline. Now he's just pedaling without the motor. And then I told him when he gets tired to kick it on. Just so he can see what the difference is. Go ahead, kick it on. Kick the motor on.
I can't.
You're supposed to kick it on before you stop.
Couldn't hold the button.
Go back down, try again.
We're trying again.
Okay, take 2. This time he's using pedal assist.
Definitely made a difference. That was 5 and 7.
Like effortlessly, huh?
Yeah.
There's another one of him coming up the hill. What do you think?
Definitely a big difference coming uphill.
Yeah, you couldn't even make it without them.
No.
What gear was you in the first time?
1.
You were in gear. You were in first gear the first time and couldn't make it up.
This time I went up to 7th gear with the assist of the bike.
Yeah. So if you would have put it in first gear and pedal assist, it would have been a lot easier to pedal, but you wouldn't have went so fast.
Yeah. Definitely a big hill. Go.
It's a race. Alright guys, so there's what it looks like to ride the Lectric XP from 5'3" all the way up to 6'6". So hopefully that's a good comparison for you guys. If you think that you want to get one of these but not sure if it's the right size for you, I'm hoping this helps you guys out.
Like and subscribe.
What?
Like and subscribe.
That's right guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video if you think others can find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.